how to find a product to sell on Amazon that can be sustainable, scalable, and profitable. So all the information step by step you will get in this video. So keep on watching this video till the end without skipping any part, because in this video I'm going to show you live on my computer screen like how I find my profitable product, what is the criteria, and each and everything. So after watching this video, you will also be able to find your winning product in just 1 to 2 hours of searching. But before getting started, I'm Uzair and I sell my products on Amazon, eBay, Shopify, ClickFunnels, and Redbubble. And on this channel, I share my knowledge with you people so you can do the same and build your online business. So if you're interested in learning about the fastest and easiest way to make money online, which can give you profit in your first 7 days, then make sure to sign up for my free 30 minutes webinar from the link below so you can also achieve financial freedom like me and leave your 9-to-5 job. So without any further delay, let's start the video. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm on my computer screen now. So first of all, let me just tell you the criteria for which we need to find a product. So if we will be having a criteria in our mind, then it will be easy for us to analyze that product which we are finding. Because throughout the research, we can find many products like 20, 30 or maybe 50. And out of those 50 products, we just need to shortlist 3 to 4 products which are golden and which are exactly following the criteria. So that will make our decision more easier and we can just get exactly what we want. So the number 1 criteria is product must be of high demand, low competition, high revenue, less reviews, lightweight, not breakable, not seasonal. So these are some main points of criteria that we need to keep in mind, but there are some other points as well which we can see while doing our research. So now we are having 7 points in our mind. We need to find a product which fulfills these of the points. And then after shortlisting all of those products which are fulfilling that criteria, then we will do a second stage of evaluation in which we further shortlist all of those products which will not be viable. So now let's just start the research. So to start doing the research, we need to go on AMG Scout dashboard, log in here, and from there on the top left corner, we need to click on product database. So if you don't know what AMG Scout is the number 1 most popular and most accurate tool for Amazon product research, Amazon keyword research, and it can actually help you in many of the tasks related to your Amazon store. So if you're an Amazon seller, then you must have this tool because it can save you a lot of time and it can save you a lot of money. Because if you don't do the proper keyword research, proper product research, and proper PPC research, you might be ended up burning a lot of money off you and getting no results. So I recommend you to grab your AMG Scout today, and you can actually get the 30 days free trial from the link in the description below, so you can also get familiar with this tool and see how it works. So now let's get back to the topic and see what we can find from the AMG Scout product database. So I have just landed on AMG Scout database and I have not put any of the filter. So when I go down, you can see that there are some products which seems to be trendy and which are having good demand and low competition and are selling well. So now at this place, we need to further narrow down our criteria as per those 7 points which we have just discussed. So to do that, we just need to click on more filters, and from that more filters, we need to fill out each filter one by one. So AMG Scout will only show you the product which fulfill that filter criteria. So in categories, we can just choose any of the category we want, but what category I love is art and craft, office products, sports and outdoor, home and kitchen, patio, lawn and garden, and maybe pet supplies, and no automotive, and tools and home improvement, yes. So after selecting all of those categories in which you are looking for the product, click on apply, and in the keyword we can just leave this empty. Excluding keyword, price. So in that price filter, we can just put 2080 because we need a product that is selling at least for $20 and maximum for $80. Because if we sell something below $20 like 15 or 10, then it will not give us profit because all of the money will be eaten by marketing and PPC. Because while we are launching a product, we must need to keep all of these values in our mind, like the product cost, shipping cost, duty, Amazon FBA fee, and PPC cost. So if after subtracting all of the expenses, we are having a profit at the price on which our competitor is selling, then only that product will be viable for us, otherwise not. So this price range criteria is also too much important. So we must need to add that criteria here, like price must be higher than $20. So now again, go there. Reviews, we don't need any product having reviews more than 300. And estimated sales, like minimum sales can be 300 or more. And seller type, no. Product here, weight, no. and that's it. So after filling all the fields in that filter, we can just click on find products. So after clicking on find products, you can see that AMG Scout is loading the product for us. And after loading, it is showing us many of the products that are exactly fulfilling the criteria here. But in addition to that, you can see that this trending product button here. So you can also check that box and find out which products are actually trending nowadays and they are selling very good for last 2-3 months. But for now, let's just skip that trendy button and go down. So now the real game comes in. As I said, like after fulfilling the 7 criteria, which I have just explained you, we must need to filter out the thing. You can see that this chair is very good, but this chair is too much heavy. So we don't want any item which can be sourced at a very high price and which will be very heavy, because the handling, the storage and the shipping cost will be too much. And if we won't be able to sell that heavyweight product, then that will be a big loss for us. So we must need to avoid all of those products who are heavier and greater than the shoebox in size. So now let's go down. We can just skip that table as well. We can just skip that shoe rack. Yeah, this shoe rack is foldable and having a lightweight, so we can just open that, open and go down. So you just need to scroll down because all of these products are good and as per our criteria. You can see that the category is from those which we have just selected. The estimate sales of month are good. The estimate revenue is good. The price is more than $20, but still we need to scroll down, and on the left side we need to see the images, and we need to make sure that the physical property of those products must be as per our criteria. Like they must be unbreakable, they must be small, and there are less chances of return or negative reviews. Because if there is a product in which they are having too many variations, too many design variation, or any kind of physical factor that might ended up getting returned, so that product will not be viable for us. Because for example, if they are having too much color variation on any product and people order that variation, and after getting that they will not like the color, so they can just return that. So the order return or defect rate will be too much higher. So we always have to find and select all those products like spoon, which will be of stainless steel material, that will be unbreakable, small, and there will be no size and color variation. Everyone wants the same spoon because the purpose of everyone getting the spoon will be the same. Like they want to use that spoon for eating and they don't care about the color of that spoon. So these kind of physical property are also you have to keep in mind while selecting the product. So let's just go down. This mini lunch box, I like it. And let's just go further down. See, no, these products can be patented, these products can be seasonal, these products can be heavy. So again, go down. Yeah, desert decorating kit, so it's also a good. So you just need to give yourself 3 to 4 hours in product research and just scroll down, find as many products as you can, and then shortlist the product. And at the end of the 4 hours, just shortlist 3 to 4 products which you think that fulfill all of the criteria and you think that that will be viable. Then after, you can start working on the profitability, the FBA calculator, the FBA fee, the supplier fee. And then when after doing all of the research, you'll find that product having good revenue, no seasonality, good profit, then you can go for it. I have just opened only 3 products because I want to make this video short, because if I start finding and discussing 50 to 60 products, then this video will be too long. So I just want to keep this video short, and I just want to give you the exact idea like how you can do it. And then it's up to you how many products you selected, how much time you give, and how good product you select. So after opening all of this product, like this shoe rack, like this lunchbox, and this desert decorating kit, then you need to find out the main keyword. So to find the main keyword, we need to grab the ASIN of this product. Like here's the ASIN. We can just copy that ASIN. Again, go to AMG Scout, and in the keyword research section, we can just click on reverse ASIN lookup. And here we need to type the ASIN which we have just copied and click on find keyword. So by doing this, AMG Scout will do the reverse ASIN for that particular ASIN, and it will show us all of those keywords from which this seller is actually getting traffic. So this seller is getting traffic from frosting paper kit, cake decoration set, cake cream scraper, but you can see that the search volume is low for these keywords, like less than 200, but the only keyword frosting piping kit is having 1220 search volume. So that means this is a high search volume keyword and most of the people are searching for that. So from that graph button, we can just see the searches of this keyword throughout the year, like in March, in April, in May, in all of the season, this keyword is being searched. So after closing it, we can just copy that keyword, frosting paper kit, go on Amazon and type for that keyword and search what product we are getting. So after typing this main keyword on Amazon, we can just see all of the competitors who are actually selling this product. And then if we want to know about the revenue, about the monthly sales, about the selling seniority and selling price of all of these competitors, we can just use the AMG Scout Chrome extension. So by using that, AMG Scout will fetch the data for all of the competitors, and that will make our analysis more easier for us. So you can see that the AMG Scout Pro extension has been updated and it is keep fetching the data for frosting piping kit. and you can see that the listing has been populated, and there are all of the competitor, their brand name, their category, their sales rank, their price, their monthly revenue, their monthly sales, and their reviews. So if you want to analyze from this window, so you can just analyze your thing, or in the case if you want to analyze this data into Excel sheet, so you can just click on this CSV button, which will download this data into a CSV file, and you can open that data in Excel sheet, and you can just put some more filters in it, like you can just sort them by revenue, selling seniority, or even selling price. So that all data about that product which you will get from the AMG score will be super helpful for you in finalizing your decision. So I hope you understand all the criteria and all the method of finding a product to sell on Amazon. So after watching this video, if you don't understand anything, you can just rewind and play this video again, and then follow the same method and strategy to find some product for you. And don't forget to let me know in the comment box below if you find this video helpful and you find your winning product with this method. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you really found my content informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in the future. And if you have any question regarding this video or any other topic regarding e-commerce, then you can just chat with me anytime from the link in the description below. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.